Human beings are under the control of a strange force that bends them in absurd ways, forcing them to play a role in a bizarre game of deception, said Jacques Vallée. We are dealing with a multidimensional paraphysical phenomenon which is largely indigenous to planet Earth, said Brad Steiger. In summation, here are my thoughts. The UFO phenomenon, by and large, seems to be a paraphysical intrusion into our physical dimension by some deceptive extra-dimensional trickster intelligence masquerading as physical extraterrestrial visitors from highly advanced civilizations, most likely for some nefarious near-future agendas. This is Norio Hayakawa in Albuquerque, New Mexico.